Hey guys, we're going to do some beginner mode. I'll try my best to do without you to continue. I'm actually pretty good at this game. I'm just taking it easy without shortcuts. I mean, without hard bits, parts. And doing it warpless. You know. Oops, oh well. I'll just take it easy. Okay. This is very easy. Trust me. I beat beginner. I mean, I haven't beat beginner yet, but I beat story mode. I've got 6 lives. I haven't got to 99, I've got 6, but it's alright. It's very easy to get there. Big is very easy, to be honest, it doesn't really matter. It's easy, I swear. Oh my god. I swear. The Xbox version just goes straight to the next stage without any waiting. That is what I want here. You have to wait for a bit on the PS2 controller. I swear. I mean PS2 version. It's a... Alright. Switches. I am going for the blue. I'm definitely going for the blue. This is easy. I swear this is very easy. Floaters. This one's awesome, easy too. It's a cakewalk, you know. Beginner. Bonus stage. This is the bonus stage. Oh well. This is 11, begin 11. Easy. Piece of cake. It's a piece of cake right now. I'll go how long it takes to do it. Depends how long. It actually depends. It depends, you know. It really depends. I swear this is easy. Okay, 13. Yeah! Well, at least we get the big extra, at least. Bingo. It's done. This is easy. This is very easy. I must get 99 lives to get to do ultimate. This is just going to be ridiculous. But I'll have more lives anyway. Doesn't. I'll do a few runs to get more lives. And try and... No. This is a long video. Not long. Oh my god, I'm already on stage 19. This is going to last quicker than like what sucks on the PS2. I swear. Okay. Beginner 20. Oh yeah. This one's pretty easy, you know.
I've got your cat food that came a bit late. Do you need it today or can I drop it tomorrow? Ready? Alright. Picked up.
22. I'm going. The 20 is a beginner. This is very easy. I've unlocked some levels. 23 blocks. This is pretty good so far. This is pretty good so far. Let's do this. Focus now. No more monkeying around. Come on. Yeah! Swear this is easy. I swear to God.
Yes. James got stuck in traffic.
Shh. Beginner 25. Exam A. Simple.